Good morning, students. This is Amuthan. I'm SNS Arts College, Computer Technology Department. Now I'm going to take white box testing. So testing, what is meant by testing? After designing the coding, we have to test whether we get desired output or not. So testing is the fourth base. The requirement analysis, designing and coding. After that we have to testing, and after testing we have to verification and documentation. So now I am going to deliver about a white box testing. White box testing, a deep dive, understanding its techniques, benefits and challenge. So now we are going to now we are going to see understanding its techniques, benefits and challenge. Introduction to white box testing examines the internal structure of software. So white box testing gives you a clear idea about the internal structure of the software. All the internal structure, it examines the internal structure of the software. Also called its clear box. The white box testing is called as a clear box, glass box, open box testing. It's used by developers and testers with coding knowledge. The white box, if the tester use the white box testing, the tester must known or by developers and tester with coding knowledge. The tester or developers must having the coding knowledge, because all the internal structure of software will be examined. Focuses on code logic. The white box testing focuses on code logics and security and the data flow. How the data flow from one control to another control, how the data flow from one part of coding structure and another part of coding structure. Importance of the white box testing: detects hidden logic errors and vulnerabilities. White box testing, why the white box testing importance? It is not only examine internal structure, it is also detect hidden logic errors and vulnerabilities. Ensures coding optimization for better performance. Enhance security by identifier weakness. Improves maintainability and refactoring. So these are the main importance points of the testings. It not only testing the internal structure of the coding, it detects the hidden logical error, ensures coding optimization for better performance, enhances the security by identify the weakness, and improves maintainability and refactoring. How white box testing works? It requires deep understanding of code structure. Those who are going to take or part of the white box testing for the certain code means they are requires deep understanding of the code structure. Develop the test cases covering all execution paths. Develop test cases. He or she they should develop a test cases covering all execution paths. Uses code coverage techniques. Statement, branch, path, all are the use covering techniques can be automated using testing tools. So this is the way white box testing works. Require deep understanding of the code structure, develop test cases covering all execution paths, use code coverage techniques, can be automated using testing tools. The tools for white box testing. What are the tools availability for the white box testing? Unit testing for Java application. It is completely based on the Java application. It is used for unit testing. What is mean by unit testing? In the software we can take unit by unit and testing the parts. Testing, it Python based unit, and integration testing. Integration means how the programs, how the coding, how the unit in the software can be integrated, and integrated coding can be performed and give the accurate result. Whether the integrated parts give a accurate test, we have to check, we have to test with use of PyTest tools. Then Clever, it measures test coverage and effectiveness. Sonar Cube, static code analysis for vulnerability test. So these are the testing tools: JUnit, PyTest, Clever, Sonar Cube. Advantages: it provides high accuracy, detects bugs easily, improves overall code quality, helps with the security test, prevent vulnerabilities. So some challenges is that in white box testing requires strong programming knowledge for the tester, time consuming for large application, complex logic can be difficult to fully test, may not cost effective for small project. May not cost effective for small projects. So these are the channels. So students, what are the difference between the white box and black box? White box testing requires knowledge of coding structure, whereas black box testing focus on software functionality. Then white box testing used for unit and integration testing, black box used for system and acceptance testing, where white box test performed by developers tester, whereas black box testing performed by tester and end users. So white box is not only it is testing or examining internal parts, and we have used some many tools like a JUnit, PyTest, Clever, and white box testing, statement coverage, branch cover, path cover, control flow, and it requires automatic using tools and develop test cases and use code coverages. It detects hidden logic errors, ensure code optimization, enhance security by identifying weakness, and mainly it improves maintainability and reframing. So this is the advantages of the white box testing. Next class we have seen black box testing. Thank you very much.